Unlock the secrets to crafting breathtaking motion graphics with the revolutionary synergy of Nano Banana and Sora 2. Today, we're diving deep into how these two powerful tools can be combined to elevate your animation projects, creating visually stunning content that captivates your audience. Our journey begins in Nano Banana, where we'll lay the foundation of our animation. Select your base elements. Whether it's simple geometric shapes or more complex illustrations, focus on defining the core movement. We'll use Nano Banana's intuitive timeline to meticulously set keyframes, dictating every nuance of motion from the initial pull to the final rest. Think about easing, overshoot, and bounce to imbue your elements with life and personality. This phase is all about control and precision in defining the fundamental animation. Now, let's introduce Sora 2 into the mix. Imagine you have a video clip, perhaps of a hand gesture, a subtle facial expression, or even a real-world object in motion. We'll import this into Sora 2, which excels at analyzing and understanding video content. The magic happens when we leverage Sora 2's ability to extract and translate these real-world movements into data that Nano Banana can understand and utilize. The crucial step is integration by exporting key motion data from Sora 2 and importing it into Nano Banana. We can drive our animated elements, for instance. The extracted motion from that hand gesture in Sora 2 can now influence the path or intensity of our bouncing ball instead of a predictable bounce. It might now follow an erratic, organic trajectory, dictated by the subtle variations in the imported video data. This creates a dynamic interplay between the purely digital and the captured real world. Beyond basic movement, we can enhance this integration with visual effects within Nano Banana. Apply dynamic effects like realistic physics simulations, glowing trails, or distortions that react to the imported motion data. Imagine a ripple effect expanding from your animated element every time the imported movement reaches a peak. This layer of visual polish transforms simple animation into something truly immersive and professional. By mastering the combined power of Nano Banana and Sora 2, you're not just animating. You're composing visual narratives. Experiment with different media types in Sora 2 to drive your Nano Banana creations, and watch your motion graphics leap to life with unprecedented dynamism. Happy animating!